सरल, सुगम और त्वरित न्याय मिले। धन्यवाद।
श्रीमती रेणुका चौधरी जी।
Sir, thank you for permitting me to raise the issue of what was promised on the floor of this House under the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, where collectively the whole House, all political parties were party to the fact that some assurances given on the floor of this House would be implemented to the state of Telangana. Yesterday, my Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has hoisted Telangana Rising, 2 days of a global summit where international players have come in to look and invest in Andhra Pradesh. Yet, sir, 10 years after the assurance was given on the floor of this House, a large part of the promised rail manufacturing unit at Kazipet, and after the bifurcation, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, no meaningful progress has taken place so far. Telangana's broader rail development is stalled. South Central Railways has completed the surveys. Every bit of the paperwork has been done, submitted, detailed project reports for all 10 major projects covering 818 kilometers and costing 18,489 crore are still waiting clearances. After 10 years, things are still waiting clearances. On what grounds, I don't know. And this includes, sir, crucial air links, railway links such as Dornakal, Miryalguda, Ramagundam, Manuguru, which comes partly to Khammam district on the outskirts of it, Karimnagar, Hassanparthi, Bhadrachalam, Kovuru, which is, there's a small bit pending which puts us to great discomfort in those areas, Pattancheru, Adilabad, and other vital connectivity and economic growth. Now, sir, 13 ongoing projects worth nearly 20,000 crores are at a snail's pace. And we are talking of putting bullet trains and what have you, sir. When you don't complete what an assurance given on the floor of this House, it is making a mockery of the constitutional rules that we have established in this House, which need to be implemented and which are the rights of the citizens. This is not some meherbani coming from the centre. And this, the ruling party was very much party to the AP Reorganization Act, so they can't pretend that they don't know. And or this is a reflection on their performance. Is this the pace that they work at? That they will not give the states the required rail connectivity that is required. Now, the kind of administrative inertia that is contributing to the discomfort of Telangana.
Venkata Subba Reddy Garu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity to raise an important issue.
Honorable member, you are a very senior member.
Farmers in Andhra Pradesh